Hey, I'm Dee Willis, your affiliate and network marketing partner. Every week, I release new videos on this channel that'll help you grow your online business. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you smash that notification bell so that way you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. So let's get to it. What I see going on in affiliate and network marketing is a lot of people is just focused on the wrong shit. They focused on the wrong thing. They focused on, is the company trending? Is this where everybody at? They focused on the comp plan. They focused on everything else except what they should be focusing on. When you decide to pick an affiliate product or join a network marketing company, you need to look inside of you first. And I have to admit, I was guilty of this in the past myself because I was going where my friends were, where I thought it was hot. You know, I didn't really take a look at me. And to be successful in choosing the correct affiliate product or network marketing company to align yourself with, you need to be thinking about yourself in the beginning, okay? Because of course, you need to be asking yourself some questions. Internally, is this a product that I can stand behind, that I'm not embarrassed to talk about, that I really believe can serve people? Can it serve me? Right? Once you've answered those types of questions, then you can look at, is the company reputable? What is the comp plan? Y'all putting the cart before the horse, and then you find yourself aligning with a company and you feel like you can't go anywhere, or it's hard for you to share the information, the product, the service that the company offers. And that's because you have to be in alignment with the network marketing or affiliate product that you're sharing. Another thing I've noticed is that a lot of people don't have the mental fortitude to do this business. It was once upon a time I thought anybody could do affiliate and network marketing. But now I'm kind of going to agree to disagree with that statement. And that is because a lot of people, or 98% of people, they seek approval from other people. You have to be a strong-minded individual to get into this industry. Basically, it's hard work to be an entrepreneur. Now, to get into affiliate and network marketing, there is a low barrier to entry, but there is a high level of ridicule you undertake when you get into this industry, because everybody is going to have something negative to say. And you have to be very strong-minded and build a fort around your mind to not allow those things to bring you down and cause you to quit. And what I see is a lot of people quit because of the ridicule and the scrutiny that they are receiving from their friends and families, because they're seeking their approval to do this business. And to do this business, you cannot seek anyone's approval to do this. If you have a strong mind, you can do this business. However, if you're seeking the approval of mom, dad, bestie, sister, cousin, and you got to go run to these people and ask them what they think about you doing this business, then it's not for you, because only you can make that decision, because you have to be strong-minded to do this business. I'm just going to pause right here and go ahead and ask you to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, especially if you like the transparency and just like my vibe, because I give the real and I keep it 100. I share what I'm using to help me grow my online endeavors. So if you're feeling it, make sure you like it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps for other people to find this video. Last but not least, what I'm finding is that another reason why people are not being successful in affiliate and network marketing is they're trying to sell their thing all the time. They are trying to close. Their initial conversation with everybody is trying to close. And that is not the right approach. They're saying, buy my thing, join my opportunity. You know, you're going to be living lavish and all of this and all of that. And that's not the correct way to go about it. And for a long time, I was doing it like that because I do have a sales background. And people who do have a sales background, it's kind of harder to adjust to this industry. I'm not going to lie. You have to untrain yourself and retrain yourself because you can't bring those same tactics over here. You have to do things with a twist. And to be honest, I do not like going out prospecting that much. I prefer for people to come to me. I want to attract the right people. So it wasn't until I was hearing Ray Hegan and he had a suggestion to help individuals not come across so salesy and to put them on a step type of system. And that's how I took it. I take people's advice and I listen to trainings and I make it my own, right? So I put things into a different perspective, and you won't be successful if you're throwing your thing up in everybody's face. If you're like, buy my thing and join my opportunity, you may get a couple of people like that, but that's not how you're going to grow a big organization. That's not how you're going to be able to sell a lot of products to your customers if you're doing affiliate. Now, the reason why I blend affiliate and network marketing pretty much together, I do them both, but a lot of affiliate programs have a network marketing pay tier plan, okay, like a network marketing comp plan within their affiliate marketing. So the industry is changing, guys, so they're blending both of them together basically. But like I said, network marketing and affiliate marketing, they are business models. They are legit business models, and they are a way for people to get paid without the high cost investment involved. Again, you have to have a strong mind to do this because a lot of people don't really understand and they don't really know. Okay, so you got to keep that in mind. But again, if you're coming off trying to be so salesy, that is not going to work. You can't close everybody. You can't meet people and try to close them initially on the first contact. You do not need to do that. And people that do are not going to be as successful or reach their fullest potential in affiliate and network marketing. Now, here comes the good stuff. Let's solve these issues, okay? The very first thing you will want to do is to join a community, build up your mental fortitude, which means you have to create a routine for yourself, and you need to do this daily. Okay, so you need to tap in to your sponsor, referrer, mentor. You need to tap in. You need to read a book, listen to a podcast. You need to do this every day to build that muscle, to build that wall, to build up your mental fortitude so that way you can perform. The best thing to do is to be a part of a community. That way you are around like-minded people. You're around people that understands what you're going through, that actually understands because they went through the same thing or they're going through the same thing. You need to be around people that understands, because your friends and family, they're not going to understand. You're probably the black sheep of the family. You're the one that always do the thing because you have the entrepreneur spirit and nobody else has it, right? It just seems like you want it. You know that there's more out of life. You know you want more. You know you deserve more, and you know you can get more. You just need the mental fortitude, and you can build that up if you are willing and really want it bad enough. You will need to make a routine that you can stick to on a daily basis. You need to get in a Facebook group. You need to be on it faithfully, like constantly. That needs to be your go-to or something. That's what you need to build that mental fortitude up. Now, also, let's talk about people who are focusing on the wrong shit. You need to first find products and services that you yourself would use. I do not recommend anything that I have never used myself, that I'm not going to use, or any of that. It has to align with me first. Find a product, service, or company that has products and services that you personally can align with. Okay, like me, I'm all about online. I'm not a health buff. It would not benefit me to try to tell somebody to take vitamins and supplements and sprays and all of that. And I don't take it because I'm not like into that. I'm more into helping people find leads, make sales, grow their business, make money. That is me. Now, granted, people can make money selling the healthcare and health products and dietary supplements and all of that, insurance, real estate, but that's because they have a thing for real estate. They have a thing for the dietary supplements because that's what they believe in. That's what they do. And they're making money off of what they are comfortable with and what is in alignment with them. I am not in alignment with that. I'm more of a digital gal. Okay. So that's what I do. But what do you do? And you need to find that and start promoting products and services along the lines of you first, because you will believe in the product more because you do it and use it and you know it in and out, period. Okay, so that's what you do to find a network marketing opportunity or an affiliate marketing opportunity. That's what you use. You use yourself first to find it. And then you align yourself, and then you can promote it. And then you can look at the comp plan and see how it pay, these different things that all offer the same thing that you want to do, and see who has the best comp plan and so on and so forth. But the very first thing you need to focus on is you and what you can align with. Okay, another thing to solve the issue about the sales. This goes along with prospecting, and I'm not going to get too deep into this, but I will tell you to take things step by step. If you're meeting up with a prospect, or if you want to talk to somebody about your business, but you don't want to come across salesy, the first thing you just need to do is just ask them. Say, hey, are you open to the opportunity to make a couple of extra $100 from home? Are you open to do something like that? Either they are or they're not. If they say they're open to looking at something that can possibly make them some money from home, step one accomplished. That's what you're looking for. You're just looking to see if they're open. If they're not even open, what's the point of you talking to people that's not even open? You need to find out if they're open to the idea first. Just don't assume that everybody wants your product. Don't assume that everybody want to make $5,000, $10,000 a month. Not everybody wants that. Some people just want some side money to put away for their kids' college. Some people just want side money to get their kids lunch money because they make too much money to apply for food stamps. Some people just, you got to meet people where they are and find out what they want and help them get what they want. Not what you want and not what you want them to have. It's about them. So you need to find out if they're open first. And that's step one. Okay? So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you in the next video. Okay? Bye now.